Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a little something different and showing you guys one of my favorite keto salads. First, you're going to start off with your greens. Today I'll be using some baby spinach and kale. I'll be taking half of that container, and I'll also be taking half a container of this baby arugula and adding it to my bowl. Next, I'll be taking 2 strips of this bacon, crisping it up, and adding it to my bowl. Also, please do not throw out your bacon fat. You're going to need that for your salad dressing. Next, I'll be adding in some crunch with these chili roasted pistachios. Right now, they're my all-time favorite. Feel free to add in whatever nuts you feel like adding in. So now we cannot forget about our healthy fats, so I'll be adding in this whole small avocado. And we don't waste food over here. We got to get every last drop. And also don't forget to add your salt and pepper. Me personally, I love salt and pepper right on top of my avocados. Next, we're going to be taking this beautiful salmon, and I'm going to be using this seasoning. And I'm just going to fry it in that bacon fat and add it to my bowl. Next, I'm going to be using this ranch dressing, which is the only dressing that I had at the moment, and I'm going to mix it in with the remaining bacon fat, and I'm going to spread it all over my bowl. Now I'm going to take some black pepper for the seasoning. And just like that, our salad is done. Put your fork in and enjoy. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Bye.